This next melody that our Wahine group takes us to the foothills of Lanihuli, the Kaneohe side of Lanihuli, as there used to be hollow groves before all of the golf courses were there. So this song I wrote to remember these hollow groves, the halang, along with the Maile Lauli'i, which continues to grow in the uplands of Nu'uanu. A chant called Kapua Hinana. Oma Kau Kau.
Ai, Kapua Hinana.
This next melody is a very special chant that was written by Auntie Malia Craver for my kumu, Darryl Lupinui. This chant speaks of Auntie Miro, Darryl's mom, who used to live on the tiny island called Mokawea, which used to be a tiny fishing village back in the day. And people on that island were able to, were the ones that caught the fish for our ali'i. And whatever type of fish that the ali'i wanted to eat at that time, these fishermen knew exactly where to go. So this chant Auntie Malia wrote in honor of Auntie Miro Lupinui and was given to Darryl. And he used this in the King Kamehameha traditional hula competition back in the 1982 or 1983 or so, which was then taught to us by Helene Yun for Kanikapila. And I kind of tweaked the motions. It used to be with Kala'au, but we don't have Kala'au. So we're gonna do our own version of Heloha Mokawea Mokawea Ku'umoku. Oma Kau Kau.
Kila
Hamaiga,
Naiva,
Punika Moku, Makania Nala Maigo, Hawaii, Lotako, Konamanu,
Nana,
Nana, Kalapalani, Ika Hamaiga,
Naiva,
Punika Moku, Makania Nala Maigo, Hawaii, Lotako, Konamanu, Hey ya, eh,
Nahai,
he hoku waku